Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Maxwell Demille'S talking. Tonight, coming to you live from the historic Art Deco Oya building in downtown Los Angeles, California, America's greatest summer playground. Tonight, we take you south of the border for the Latin music. Please welcome Dean Mora and his Latinaires. And now, ladies and gentlemen, here he is, the man himself, Senor Dean Mora.
Thank you. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you. Bienvenidos al restaurante Cicada. Cicada, a bug. And we thank you very much for coming down to our very first Friday night. And this is our Latin band, a band that you would probably normally see if you go to the Coconut Grove. When you have the regular band like Gus Arnheim or Phil Harris, when they take a break, usually on the other side of the ballroom, there's a Latin band ready to play during intermission. None of this recorded music mumbo jumbo. We're gonna have they have continuous music on one of those very fabled evenings there at the Coconut Grove. But now we'll present to you tonight just strictly that other band on the other side of the hallway, and of course the Latin band. This is our music that is for your dancing entertainment. Music from the 1930s, 40s, and a couple of forays into the 50s. And so we hope you enjoy it. We are going to present for you now a mambo, Un Poquito de Tu Amor. And we hope you enjoy it. The dance floor is open. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Un poquito de tu amor. We already had a request for a tango, so we will not disappoint you. We'll play for you a tango, so if you have a dance card, go ahead and fill it out. We'll wait. All right, done. Here we go from the year 1933. Here is the Tango of Roses. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, from 1933. the Tango of Roses. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now present for you a mambo. And for this song, we're going to bring up to the microphone our lovely Canario song. It's Cara Morrison. She sang this song with us in our 1960s evening a few months ago, but due to technical difficulties, the song was not recorded. So we're going to do it again, and hopefully the record button is on. We'll find out. This is a selection that was recorded by the freakishly brilliant singer Ima Sumac from 1954. And she was from Peru. She just passed away a few years ago. She left a great body of work which displays her vocal expertise. And to help us out, Cara Morrison's going to sing this song for you called The Gopher Mambo. She sings very high, so be forewarned. If you have any glasses in your hand, just put it down. Here we go with the Gopher Mambo.
But the bone, the bone, I did the bone, the bone, the bone, the bone, I did the bone, the bone. The bone, the bone, I did the bone, the bone, I did the bone, the bone, I did the bone, the bone. Ba-da-da-dum, bum boom, bum boom. Ha-da-da-dum, bum boom, bum boom. Ha-da-da-dum, bum ba-dum. Ha-da-da-dum, bum ba-dum.
What? I'm sorry. Say something. Once again, big hand for Cara Morrison. Actually, it's one of her dog's most favorite songs. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for a cha-cha. Here's a classic number called the T for Two Cha-Cha. Thank you very much. A T for two cha-cha. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to perform for you a rumba right now. This one was the theme, the signature song for one of the premier Latin band leaders of the 1930s and 1940s, Xavier Cugat, who was the band on the opposite side of the ballroom in the 1930s, playing opposite Gus Arnheim, and later on had his own fame and fortune, including introducing a young singer by the name of Desi Arnaz, and you'll hear a little bit more about that fellow later on in the evening. Right now we're going to do his signature tune called My Shawl. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. My Shawl, the signature song of Xavier Cugat. Thank you. And as was advertised on Mr. Demille's notices, that we will throw an occasional swing number for you, for those who don't feel so disjointed from so many Latin numbers in one evening. And so we're going to do one for you right now. This is from 1935. This originally comes from the book of Benny Goodman and his orchestra. It was written by the famous songwriting team of Warren and Dubin. And this is entitled She's a Latin from Manhattan, and Karen Morrison is going to be singing the chorus. And I assure you, there'll be no high notes in this particular song. Or for the rest of the evening, I suppose. Yes. Here we go with She's a Latin from Manhattan.
She's a Latin from Manhattan. You can tell by her manana. She's a Latin from Manhattan and not Havana. Though she does the rumba for us, and she calls herself Dolores. She was in a Broadway chorus known as Susie Donahue. She can take a tambourine and whack it, though to her it's just a racket. She's a hopper from 10th Avenue. She's a Latin from Manhattan. She's a 42nd Streeter. She's a Latin from Manhattan, Senorita Donahue.
Karen Morrison is a Latin from Manhattan. Well, some of you folks like the tango so much, we're going to do another one for you right now. This is from the year 1934. The song is called The Moon Was Yellow. And we're going to bring to the microphone our dashing dude straight from the Dakotas, just flew in on the last Buffalo in from town. And we have Damon Kirsch singing for you. So here we go with The Moon Was Yellow.
yellow and the night was young. A smile brought us together, and I was wondering whether we'd meet again someday. The moon was yellow, and a song was sung. That vocal inspiration gave me the inclination to give my heart away. Here we are. Is our romance to continue? Will it be my luck to win you? May I look that far? My love is mellow, and my hopes are strung around that Cupid fellow. Behold, the moon is yellow, and the night is young.
Damon Kirsch, ladies and gentlemen, singing for you, The Moon Was Yellow. How about another big hand for Damon Kirsch? He'll be back later on. Oh, there he is. He'll be back later on this evening. A little quicker Roomba for you right now. This is the great song called Frenesy. Ladies and gentlemen, as a new feature of our Friday night shows, instead of the 2 sets that are usually on Sunday nights, on Friday nights, we're doing 3 sets. So you can certainly enjoy the evening a little later on. But we're going to finish off this first set right now with one of the classic standbys of the Latin repertoire, of course. We're talking about Pres Prado and Mambo number 5.
Mora'S Latinaires. With the condor of croon, Mr. Damon Kish, and the red-headed robin of rhythm, Miss Kerr Morrison. And these swell fellas right here.